until a few processing. We give them applause.
The set of 8 regulations won't go a long way in addressing a myriad of challenges affecting the dairy sector. The summary of the regulations is as follows. 1, the Dairy Industry Registration, Licensing, Cess, and Levy Regulations 2021. That these regulations, this set of regulations, farmer registration will be conducted by the counties. It will be free and a one-off exercise. I know this is one area that we've got to make it very clear that the registration is not going to cost any money, so that we are not, we don't go mixing ourselves up. It is a way of picking data to inform intervention in the sector. It is not intended to raise money for anybody. So it is a regulatory instrument to assist the counties and the national government access data that will inform decisions moving forward. So it is a free once and for all exercise that will give us a baseline on what we have on the ground, and then of course continuous updating. And Dairy Cooperative Society, a producer group or aggregator shall maintain an updated register of its members for use in registration. Through this registration, counties will maintain an updated database on the number of farmers, dairy herd data, and milk production. The consolidated information from the counties will inform planning and decision-making at the national level and also at the county level. Through the separation of powers between national and county governments, this regulation provides for counties to issue a license and for the board to issue a regulatory permit to a dairy business operator.